Trap Watches, what's going on? Today's August the 28th, 2021. Blackberry stock price prediction. We got you. We're going to talk about this particular market in Blackberry, and we need to see, can this upside momentum that Blackberry is currently on, can it continue? We got some things to talk about. I'm going to show you some things on this price chart that is not confusing, that shows us that Blackberry is still in a bullish environment, meaning that we're looking for the price to go higher. It's just that simple, right? We just want to know what direction will price go, because if we understand the direction, then we can actually be in position and capitalize on the move. So check this out. I'm going to show you all first, to be fully transparent with our community, what happened against our last price prediction into the market of Blackberry. And then I'm gonna give you all another one so that we can continually be ahead of the game. We got to beat everyone else to these positions so that we can all eat. All right. So if you guys want to join us, today's the first time ever seen our video, hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel. You will notice that our content is not confusing. While everyone out there is literally telling you scenarios that can happen into the market, it could, maybe, possibly, it could go up, it could go down. Look at this indicator, check out this indicator. The moon is going to be full tonight. Make sure you guys don't jump in like, come on, no. Just look at the price, look at the volume. That is all we need. So I'm gonna make sure that the information that I'm going to show you today is not going to be confusing. So check this out. Last time we did our video in Blackberry was right here on August the 17th, 2021, and we played a weakness, right? I was trying to tell everyone in our community that, yeah, the price in Blackberry is weak, but I also told you, okay, I told you that we are still in an upward trend comparative to this ascending line that is on my chart. That is climactic. That is very important. And off of that, we can understand, based on where price has been over the last week, that this trend is still intact. It is still playing an important role in the price of Blackberry. It's just that simple. We already understand, as long as this price in Blackberry holds this ascending line, price will always go up, period. Always. As long as the price in Blackberry holds this ascending line, price will always go up. Now, we didn't get our price prediction right, okay? That was the only thing that would go against us in our last price prediction, is to see the price hold this line. And it did, so it wasn't right. Our last price prediction did not come out or pan out the way that we expected it to go. It happens, right? So if you were to get out on the close on the last trade of yesterday, we'd be down 16.75% right there. Now, at some point, you have to learn how to part with your money, because you will lose some, but inevitably you need to win more than you lose. So yeah, he got us on this one, right? He won this particular match. We give it to him, but let's get in position and make sure that we win on the next one. So check this out. Let me get rid of this. And the first thing that I always wanted to show you is, yes, we're still trending higher, right? And if you wanted to come in and buy Blackberry at a cheap price, it was right here where the price was traded at around $9.50. We're at $11.30, so it's not that far. So the price is still relatively cheap from where we are on the close of yesterday to this ascending line, right? I mean, we've seen the price in Blackberry come all the way up to $16, even $28 back there on January 27, 2021. So this price is relatively cheap. I mean, check this out. From the high from January 27, 2021 to where the close was on Friday. Look, just look. We're down 61%. This is how cheap the price in Blackberry stock is right now. This is how cheap it is. So now, we're golden, right? Not only is the price in Blackberry able to hold this ascending line, not only that, but check this out. We also are noticing this support line. This is creating a firm foundation of price from dropping, period. This ascending line, and even seeing the price hold support around $9.50 is even more concrete added to the support structure of this price. It's just that simple, right? Simple. So now we got that. I think I have showing you all the basis as to why the price in Blackberry is still relatively strong. Okay, we got that. So the next question that I am posing to you would be, all right, cool. We're looking for the price to go higher, right? How high you think it's going to go before we see the market come back down? That is the question that I am posing to you all. So drop me the comment right now and let me know, where do you see the price in Blackberry going before we see more selling? Now, I'm going to give you a hint of what I'm seeing though, to where we have to be prepared to see this market weakness come down in price. And I think you can see it right around here. Okay, it's around $12. We can see the price in Blackberry come down here. We can see it start to come down around $12. Are you ready for that? Are you willing to take profits off the table around $12? That is going to be the question, because I'm going to show you how we ended on the long-term time frame to see if the market can really break above $12. Because if so, you could just let the market ride. So let me show you all the 3-day time frame in Blackberry. Okay, so far the market strength is still here. I mean, I don't see any weakness so far on the chart in Blackberry. The only thing that's in this way is $12. This is the 5-day time frame. Okay, what about the weekly? Weekly time frame, not too much has changed. There's only one thing that's in the way. $12, 2 weeks. You see that? What are you all noticing in price for Blackberry? I mean, I could take this all the way back to, I mean, you can see 2014, 2013, how $12 has been a very huge linchpin in the progressional movement higher in Blackberry. That is the only thing that is in its way. Break $12 to the upside, next area is going to be 14, then that next area is going to be around $16. Simple. Just that simple. All right, so check this out. We're going to play the strength into the market in Blackberry. All right, so let me go ahead and run a play. Okay, let me zoom in. And the ascending line, even this $9.50 will have to be maintained as support in order for us to continue have the prospect of this market price in Blackberry to go higher. Okay, now we said that $12 would be the first hurdle that the market will have to cross in order for us to see price go higher. So we need to be prepared to grab some profits off the table there. Okay, $12. So that would give us what? About 5.91% profitability. Now that's a snack. I mean, it's a small meal that we can eat off of. But the next area, okay, that I told you was around 14. Okay. Now I'm going to drop it. I'm not going to hit it exactly on 14 because the market understands people's minds and understand where people are willing to take profits and losses. We need to play it on an odd number. So I'm going to drop it down around 13, right? A little bit shy of $14. But look, that's still 22%. Now that's a meal. We can all eat all 22% right there in Blackberry. So this is the play. We're going to run the market right here. We're going to play the move higher in Blackberry. Simple to see, simple to understand. All right. Now, I want to know, you're part of our community. You have your own mind. Drop me a comment right now in the comment section and tell me where you think the price in Blackberry is going to go in the next 3 weeks, right? We don't want to keep our money locked up for a long time. We don't want to hold every play that we have for the next 100 years, right? There's literally people out there telling you that you want to keep money locked up for 100 years and not take it out and just keep it locked up to where you can actually deploy those monies somewhere else to bring in more money. Like, that's the object of the game. The object of the game is not to keep money locked up for 100 years. No, you want to deploy them to situations to where it could come back with more money. So now, let me know where you think the price is going to go. I'm done. I'm out. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.